Welcome back, Frotela family. Sorry guys for not posting content in our channel for 6 months. Was busy doing projects and learning things. Soon we'll come back strong with a surprise. Let's wait until then. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell a small introduction about golang. Golang. You might have heard this, right? This is getting popular nowadays. I'll tell you the reasons why it is getting so hype. So, let's go ahead. Right, what is Golang or Go? Actually, Golang is an open source, compiled, and statically typed programming language. It was developed by Google and launched in 2009. Okay, now that we have a small knowledge about Golang, so apart from this, we're having many programming languages like C, Java, Ruby, and Python to use. Then, what is the need of using Golang? Okay, let us find some reasons to learn Golang. Go is really a fast language because Go is compiled to machine code. It will naturally outperform other languages that are interpreted or have virtual runtimes. Go programs also compile extremely fast and the resulting binary is very small. And the second reason is it's easy to learn. Go syntax is small when compared to other languages. You can fit most of it in your head, which means you don't need to spend a lot of time looking things up. It's also very clean and easy to read. Non Go programmers, especially those used to a C style syntax, can read a Go program and usually understand what's going on. And the third reason is it's a static typing. Go is a strongly statically typed language. There are primitive data types like int, byte, and string. There are also structs in Go language. Struct, I guess you might have heard it, right? Like any strongly typed language, the type system allows the compiler to help catch entire classes of bugs. Go also has built-in types for lists and maps, and they are easy to use. And the next thing about Go is interface types. Go has interfaces and any struct can satisfy an interface simply by implementing its methods. This allows you to decouple the dependencies in your code. You can then mock your dependencies in test. By using interfaces, you can write more modular, testable code. Go also has first class functions which open up the possibility to write your code in a more functional style. And next thing is standard library. Go has a nice standard library. It provides handy built-in functions for working with primitive types. There are packages that make it easy to stand up a web server, handle I/O, work with cryptography and manipulate raw bytes. JSON serialization and deserialization provided by the standard library. And next interesting thing is testing support. Testing support is built into the standard library. There is no need for an extra dependency. If you have a file called thing.go, write your test in another file called thing_test.go and then run go test. Go will execute this test very fast. And next reason to learn Go is garbage collection. Memory management in Go was intentionally made easier than in C and C++. Dynamically allocated objects are garbage collected. And next thing is concurrency model. While concurrent programming is never easy, Go makes it easier than in other languages. It is almost important to create a lightweighted thread called a Go routine and communicate with it via a channel. More complex patterns are also possible. Okay, we understood what Go can do for us, right? Now, where can I use this Go? Okay, let's even have a look on it. The first place where we can use Go is web development. With enhanced memory performance and support for several IDEs, Go powers fast and scalable web applications. The second place is cloud and network services. With a strong ecosystem of tools and APIs on major cloud providers, it's easier than ever to build services with Go. And the third place is command line interfaces. With popular open source packages and a robust standard library, we can use Go to create fast and elegant CLIs. And the fourth one is DevOps and site reliability. With fast build times, lean syntax, an automatic formatter, and doc generator, Go is built to support both DevOps and SRE. Okay, Now let's make a decision whether to use Go or not. Go is a programming language that values machine time over human time. Sometimes your domain is the machine or the performance of your program is critical. In these situations, Go could make for a good C or C++ alternative. When you're writing a typical entire application though, performance bottlenecks will usually appear in the database end, and more importantly, how you model your data. If you're working with bytes, Go might be a good choice. If you're working with data, Go might not be a good choice. So maybe someday this will change. The Go language and community are still relatively young. They could surprise us and add generics, or a popular web framework could emerge as the clean winner. That's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting upcoming content. Bye bye. Signing off, Frotela.